Ningbo, China, on the coast of East China Sea, south of the Yangtze River Delta Economic Center. Long history and outstanding talents. Ningbo Port, one of the largest ports in the world. Xuli Group is close to Ningbo Port, an ideal location and convenient transportation. Xuli Group was founded in 1986. The predecessor was Ningbo Steel Strap Factory, started from steel cold rolling business. After 30 years steady and healthy development, up to now, it has over 800 employees in the company. Xuli Group has over 70,000 square meters of plant area. The annual output value is over $75 million. It has 3 subsidiary companies: Ningbo Xuli Metal Products Corporation Limited, Ningbo XuYong Metal Products Corporation Limited, Ningbo XuCheng Auto Parts Manufacturing Corporation Limited. Xuli Group invests on the talent of Xuli brand, worldwide reputation, customer satisfaction, development sustainable. We provide and guarantee quality products and the best service to global customers. As the first manufacturer of ratchet tie dams in China, Xuli Group established a huge and comprehensive production chain. We are praised as a father of ratchet tie dams in China. Today, we have become the largest ratchet tie dam R&D and manufacturing base in the world. Advanced technology, complete industrial chain. Every process strive for perfection. Steel cold rolling, source control, mold design and machining, precise and meticulous. Continuous modular punching, safe and efficient. Automatic welding, intelligent and stable. Advanced heat treatment production line. Full automatic electroplating production line. High efficiency assembly line. Each product has been strictly inspected. Only by thoroughly tempered, we cast perfect, excellent quality. Ratchet strap, flat web sling, round sling. Xuli Group continues to extend industrial chain. Advanced automatic waving. High efficiency and energy-saving die. Automatic screen printing. Automatic accurate cutting. Automatic programmable sewing. Heavy-duty, high-strength sewing. High-strength round sling winder. Each process has been strictly controlled. Only by meticulous attention, we create professional super quality. Xuli Group also provides a variety of OEM products and customized services, such as industrial doors, garage door accessories, and a series of more products. Your requirement is Xuli's quality standard. Xuli Group is an integrated company, including R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and service. We have ISO 9000 Quality Management Certification and BSCI Enterprise Certification. ERP makes enterprise management system more standardized and efficient. Xuli Group is the first manufacturer who got the GS certificate for ratchet tie dams in China. Xuli's Engineering Technology Center is one of the largest and most comprehensive R&D centers in the world. Our excellent R&D team adheres to the concept of leading future by independent innovation. We focus on implementing independent intellectual property rights strategy and obtained a large number of domestic and foreign invention patent authorizations. Xuli's testing lab is also an authorized lab by TUV GS organization, has a variety of specifications of high-quality tensile testing machines and testing equipment, which is a powerful guarantee of product quality and product safety. Xuli Group has been committed to providing customers with the safest tie-down and lifting solutions. After 30 years non-stop efforts and management, we won the recognition from customers and society, became the leader in the tie-down and lifting industry. Xuli's products are continually delivered to the world. Xuli's customers all over the world. Xuli's brand is shining on the international stage. Look into the future. Xuli Group is like a huge, powerful ship that sails through wind and waves towards a more brilliant and wonderful chapter. Xuli, safety tie-down leader.